My name is Jocelyn. I work in aged care. I'm a registered nurse, and I've been working in aged care since 1987. I work in aged care facility in the Blue Mountains. I enjoy working with the elderly. I've worked on night shift in aged care for quite a while. When the kids were little, I worked Saturday and Sunday night shifts. I'm there to cook their dinner, have dinner with the family, help them with their homeworks when they were little, and when they're asleep, that's when I go to work. Penalty rates make up for that. There's a lot of things you miss out on working on the weekends. Family gatherings, my extended family were here, and there's, Christmas, all those big celebrations I miss out. Well, like last week, my father, he's in his 80s. It's his birthday. I've missed out. Everyone was there celebrating his birthday. I wasn't there. I made a point of taking him out earlier, but it's not the same when the families all gathered together, and I feel sad about that. When you get those penalty rates, they're quite a big help, because with my husband working and me working those 2 night shifts, we were able to pay our mortgage, have food on the table. It's to compensate for working those unsociable hours. If there's no more penalty rates on aged care, who's going to volunteer to work on night shift? Who's going to volunteer to work on the weekends when it's all the same wage? Our wages are already lower than the public health sectors. As much as I love aged care, if the penalty rates are removed, I'm going to think of looking for other jobs. In aged care alone, there'll be a massive impact by removing the penalty rates in aged care, because there's already an existing critical shortage of nursing staff in aged care. If this enticement's removed, then there's gonna be a perfect storm that's gonna develop in aged care. The nurses will leave in droves.